Hey everybody, and welcome back to another layout update number 11. I think I finally decided on a name for my layout. I think I'm going to go with the Union Pacific's Cascade Subdivision in Oregon. That's the Blue Mountain Pass, if you will. I'm doing a lot of research on the scenery there, and I absolutely love it. And I think I'm going to do that style of scenery with my layout. I've been kind of torn on what I want to do on the inside as far as scenery. I was going to divide it, but the more I keep watching trains go up and down, I kind of want to do a Trinity style, like it's called Trinity Canyon up towards Wenatchee. It's part of the BNSF line. And I've always loved that area, so I think I may want to try to it's like a mirrored image in a sense, model that area right in the center, but except it's going to have UP power instead of BNSF power. I've had several things done to the layout since the last update. I have put in all the blocks that run off the BDL 168. I got a pigtail that runs down the center with all the wiring that's connected to each block. That's also programmed into JMRI on my layout editor. And you'll see that briefly in the video that I'm going to show you later. I won't go over it in detail, but you'll see in just a second the block occupancy and watching the trains roll through each block, so that's pretty cool. So I'm getting the layout prepped for signaling and switch machines. That'll be kind of the next step. And then making sure that all the electronic components work correctly, and then I'm going to start signaling. So that'll be kind of further progress updates, maybe 4 or 5 updates from now we'll have signals on the layout. I was going to talk about also back EMF and how important it is, especially if you want to run operations where you're using DPUs or mid-train helpers. Digitrax, TCS, others, etc., if you will, they have that feature also. And I highly recommend using it, especially if you plan on doing these kind of operations. What back EMF does is it allows your pusher, mid-train helpers, etc., to pace your train rather than push real hard if you have it over speed with the rest of your consist or undersped, if you will. So what it does is it paces the train and it measures the push and pull off the motor frequency. It's kind of like the AC power you use today. And they can judge the speed of the engine with the pace of your train, which gives it realistic operations, not only realistic operations, but also just gives you a safe haven of actual train running. I haven't worried about a derailment in quite some time unless it's been track work, which is down here on the lower end. I plan on replacing a piece that I just feel is a little out of scale for me. And plus, when I gapped it kind of created a little more of a havoc than I wanted to. So I'm going to switch that out and put in plastic connectors. I think that's going to be the best choice for my little railroad though. Other than that, all the track work is pretty flawless. I'm really happy with how things are running. Couldn't be more pleased with JMRI. Love their software. Been able to do a lot of stuff with it. Can't wait to get the rest of my components and program those. Start programming all the blocks and having operating signals on this layout. So that'll be, like I said, in a few updates, probably the next 4 or 5 updates. Until then, let's go ahead and hop into the Railfanning video. And if you have any questions about back EMF and how it works, just text me, message me, whichever. And I'd be glad to answer your questions. So, here we go.
Okay, quick demonstration of my JMRI. Just going through the blocks there. Get this top view. There you go. Scroll down a little bit. And that, my friends, is why back EMF is so important. Smooth flowing operation. When you unlock that off of Digitrax, it really does a number on the way out. I mean, the engine paces so well. It's very gratifying. Okay guys, there you go. Hope you guys really enjoyed this layout update number 11. Kind of a change of pace, kind of get to see some things going on a little differently. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Hit like and subscribe, and catch you on another update. Thanks.